Hello, students. How are you all? Hope you are safe at home. Student, today we will going to learn GK unit number 33 and our topic is Know Your Computer. So now let's learn about our topic. So here we can see a boy learning computer. A boy learning computer, typing in keyboard and also a something learning in computer. So know your computer. So what is computer? First, what is computer? A computer is a programmable electronic device. Computer is a programmable electronic device that accepts data, performs operations on that data, present the result and stores the data or result as needed. So here we can see various types of computer, then laptops are also there. So a computer is a programmable electronic device that accepts data, performs operations on that data and present that result and stores and the data or result as needed. So children's computer is a programmable electronic device that accept data and performs, and computer has so many various types of parts. So look at this picture. Here we can see a picture of computer device. So this picture of a computer from our computer lab. We find these types of object or these types of picture see in our computer lab, and a computer is made up of many parts. Computer is made up of many parts, and let's explore the parts to see if you know what they are called. So here we can see a computer device. So computer has many parts, and let's explore the parts to see if you know that they are called. So now we are going to learn different types of computer parts. So a computer is made up of different parts. Computer is made up of different parts, and these parts work together. Computer is made up of different parts, and these parts are work together to their specific task, and these parts are called devices. So computer parts are called devices. Devices. So computer is made of different parts, and these parts work together to do their specific task, and these parts are called devices. So, computer is an electronic machine. You all know that computer is an electronic machine, and if you use electricity to work. So, computer is electronic machine and it use electricity to work. Computer is an electronic machine and it use electricity to work. So a computer is made of many parts. Computer is made up of many parts, and these parts work easier and faster. Computer is made up of many parts, and these parts work easier and faster. So if it is a very useful tool, so it helps you many ways. So computer is a very useful tools, and it helps you in many ways. You can use internet also in your computer device. So how its parts work. So now number first, monitor. So here we can see a photograph of monitor, and also here we can see a photographs of monitor. So monitor, spelling is monitor, monitor. So monitor is a look like a TV. So you know that, and also here you see in this picture and also in this picture, both are you look like a TV and work and let's see your work and your files. So computer is or a monitor is looks like a TV, and let's you see how your work and your files. So output device. So monitor is look like a television, and you can see the work if you have done on your monitor. So monitor is a look like a TV, and also desktop in monitor. So you can see all the things, and you can work you have done in see in your monitor. And then printer. So it's a printer, 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 printer. So is a device that prints on a paper and the work you did on a computer. So printer is the most important parts of a computer. So printer uh, prints work you did on the computer. So printer print the work you did on computer. And printer, so here we can see printer is look like that, and also this is a printer. So printer is look like that, and our output device is a printer. Printer is output device, and once a computer use has created something on the computer such as a story, he can send it to the printer. So the printer prints exactly what's on the screen. So printer prints exactly what's on the screen. So one output device is a printer, and once a computer use has created something on the computer, so such as a story, and he send it to the printer such as a story. So he send to the printer, and the printer prints exactly what's on the screen. So childrens, you all are understand that printer the prints the work that you do on computer. So now next, the keyboard. So childrens, you all know that keyboard is with so many types of keys in keyboard. So keyboard, keyboard. The keyboard is probably the most useful input device, and it operates a lot like a typewriter. So, but has many additional keys that let it do special things a typewriter can't. So, keyboard has so many various types of keys like space key, enter key, left and right key, plus and minus, then a backspace, caps lock. So many various types of keys in we find in keyboard, and it look like a typewriter, but it's not a typewriter. And Keyboard is an input device. Keyboard is an input device. So you see here that keyboard is look like this, and uh, type typer or a typer or typist or we also types looks like that. So keyboard is like a typewriter and it has a many buttons. Here we find that so many buttons, and keyboard are called and these buttons are called keys, and you see the keyboard to type letter, number and symbol. Here we find so many numbers, then alphabet, then symbol and other space key, enter key, caps lock key, and then backspace key. So many various types of keys. So keyboard is look like a typewriter, but it can't typewriter, and keyboard has so many keys. Now mouse, mouse, computer mouse. The mouse, it's a computer mouse, so it's not a rodent, it's another input device, and it's called a mouse because of its shape and the way the capable attaching it to the computer look a bit like a tail. So there are two kinds of mice. Some use a roller board that allows the mouse to roll around a flat surface, and when you do that and look up at the screen, and if you see the small moving arrow, this arrow is called the pointer. So here we find these types of arrow. It's called pointer. So the mouse is input device, and it's called mouse because of its shapes and size, and the way the cable attaching it to the computer is look like a bit like a tail. And there are two kinds of mice. Some are use roller board that allows to mouse to roll around a flat surface. When you do that, look up at the screen. So mouse is look like that, and see small moving arrow, and the arrow is called pointer. So here also find a mouse that this is look like a tail, and is connected with a CPU, then it's a mouse. So it's moving like that. Because of its moving, here we see a small ball in it. So a laser mouse doesn't have a roller board, so it's a roller ball mouse, and that's why in a roller board, and it uses a laser light that makes the pointer move. And easier mice don't have to have their inside clean. So laser mouse doesn't have a roller board, it uses a laser light, and that makes the pointer moves, and easier mice don't have their inside clean. So children, you all are understand what is a mouse in computer mouse. So it allow you to control the movement of an screen on screen pointer. It is allowed you to control the movement of an on screen pointer, and when you move the mouse, the cursor will allow to move, and you can use the mouse to tell the computer what to do. Most important things that you can use the mouse to tell the computer what to do. And when you move the mouse, the cursor will allow to move, and mouse is allowed to control the movement of on-screen pointer. So most important part is a mouse. Okay, now when you think, you use your brain. Computer has a brain too. When you think, you use your brain. So computer has a brain too. And the brain of the computer is the central processing unit, and it's a CPU. So it tells other parts of the computer what to do. CPU is a center or a brain of computer, and full name is center processing unit. So it's tell the other parts of the computer what to do. So now it's a CPU. CPU. So CPU is look like that, and also a brain of computer. CPU start for a central processing unit, and they contain the brain of the computer, and also a CPU control the all parts of computer, and they can be desktop model that have monitor site on the top of our tower model that stand up tall, look like that. So CPU is stand for a central processing unit, and they contain the brain of the computer, and they can be desktop model that the monitor sits on top of or a tower model that stand up tall. So, how to computer work? So now next, how to computer work? So input and output. So input device is, this is when information is entered into a computer. Input device is when information is entered into a computer, and some common input device include the keyboard, mouse and scanner. Keyboard, mouse and scanners, these are a input device. Then output. So this is a information that comes out from computer. Input device, then information is entered into the computer, and output device is a information that's come out of a computer, and after it has been processed, the information come out on output device such as a printer or a computer or a monitor. So, input device is that when information is entered in a computer, and output device is that information comes out from computer. Now processing. So this is when the information is handled by the computer's brain, known as the CPU. So this process or information handled by computer's brain means a CPU. So CPU is processing this input and output device in. So childrens, you all are understand what the computer work and which types of devices in it. So input device are a keyboard, printer and then mouse. So these are a input device: keyboard, mouse and printer. Now output device. So output device is a printer, soundboard and audio speaker. So printer, soundboard and audio speaker is the output device. So speaker, now speaker. So speaker can, here we can see a photograph of speaker. So speakers can be connected to your computer, and so you can hear a very realistic sound effect and wonderful music. And some computer monitors come with built-in speaker, built in a speaker. So speaker can be connected to your computer, so you can hear a very realistic sound effect and a wonderful music. And some computer monitors come with built in a speaker. So, children, in today's lecture, we learn about the computer and its device. So, we firstly learn about a monitor. So, monitor is look like that, look like a TV, and we see in all the things, or what your work do is see in your monitor. Then we learn about printer. So printer is a device that we can do work on screen is or a screen is exactly what's on its we see in a print. Then keyboard. So keyboard is a input device, and we see keyboard in a various types of key, and we type with keys, and we find in so many keys like symbols, letters, numbers, and other keys that enter, space keys, backspace key, caps lock key, lock key, so many various type of keys. Then mouse. So mouse is look like that, and it's control your screen, or your arrow, or what you control. Use the mouse, tell the computer what to do. Now we learn that CPU. So CPU is the brain of computer, and it control all parts of the computer. So children's, this is a input device. So input device means things that we enter in our computer device, and these things is that we come out from a computer. So childrens, now we are doing some exercise on it. So you all are right with me, children. So identify the different parts of the computer. Write the name of the blank boxes. So childrens, here we can see computer devices and all the parts of computer. So here we can see firstly printer, then CPU, brain of computer, then monitor. We see all the things in monitor. Then here we find mouse. We can tell computer what to do. Then keyboard. So keyboard is a also input device. We add information and type something. So this is we are doing with a help of a keyboard. So childrens, what is this picture about? Yes, you know that. What is this picture? Yes, tell me. Yes, this is a monitor. So its spelling is Monitor. Monitor. So monitor shows words and picture. Monitor shows words and picture. Okay, very good, children. Okay, now next, what is this picture about? Yes, it looks like a tower or a tool. So, what is this picture about? Yes, it's a brain of computer, or we call it's a CPU. So CPU is used to control computer function, or CPU controls all the parts of computer. So children, you all are understand that CPU controls all the parts of computer. Okay, now next, what is these children? Yes, you know that small look like a mouse. So yes, it's a mouse. So mouse is control, or mouse is say that what to do in computer. So it's a mouse. Yes, mouse, mouse. Okay, now number 4, what is this picture about? So many keys in this picture. We find so many keys. So what is this? Yes, it's a keyboard. So keyboard. Keyboard. So keyboard puts words and picture. Keyboard is type the things that we find in type the information. Okay, now next and last, what is this picture about? Yes, it's a printer. 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 So the printer puts words and pictures from the computer onto the paper. So keyboard printer is also a output device. Okay, now our unit number 33, know your computer. So here we can find a monitor, then mouse, keyboard, printer and CPU. So there are so many parts computer device has. So now we are doing exercise on it. So you all are right with me. The blank show words and picture. So it's a monitor. Monitor shows words and pictures. Very good. Okay, now number 2, we use the blank to type information. So what we use? Yes, we use keyboard to type an information. Very good. Okay, now number 3, the blanks is used to control computer function. So what the control computer function? It's a mouse. Mouse tell that computer what to do. So mouse is control computer function. Okay, now number 4. The blank is the main unit of the computer. So what is the main unit or a brain of computer? So it's a CPU. So CPU is the main unit of the computer. Very good. Okay, now number 5 and last. The blank puts words and pictures from the computer onto paper. So, which device is put words and pictures onto paper? So, yes, it's a printer. 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 So, very good, children. You all are understand. Hope you all are learn and understand this video. So students, I will see you next time, and also students, don't forget to wash your hand regularly, eat healthy food, stay home and stay safe. Thank you students. Bye bye everyone.